Creating a balanced nutrition timetable, a guide for healthy eating. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that concerns us all: healthy eating and how to create a balanced nutrition timetable. This guide is perfect for English language learners interested in enhancing their vocabulary around health, nutrition, and planning. Let's embark on this journey to understand what a nutrition timetable is and how it can transform our eating habits for the better. A nutrition timetable refers to a planned schedule of meals that covers all the essential nutrients your body needs over a certain period, usually a week. This timetable helps ensure that you're eating a balanced diet by incorporating a variety of foods. The key here is balance and diversity, ensuring that no single nutrient is overlooked and that your body receives everything it needs to function optimally. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health, boosting your immune system, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It involves consuming the right amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. By following a nutrition timetable, you can plan your meals to include a wide range of nutrients, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Step 1. Assess your nutritional needs. Everyone's needs are different, depending on age, gender, activity level, and health goals. It's important to identify your specific needs before planning your meals. Step 2. Plan your meals. Start by listing foods from each nutrient category and plan your meals around them. Ensure to include whole grains for carbohydrates, lean meats, legumes, and nuts for proteins, fruits and vegetables for vitamins and minerals, healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. Step 3. Schedule and adjust. Plot your meals on a weekly timetable, balancing the types of nutrients throughout the day. Adjust as needed to suit your lifestyle and preferences, ensuring variety and balance. Prepare in advance to make it easier to stick to your plan. Listen to your body and adjust portions based on hunger and fullness cues. Stay hydrated and don't forget to include fluids in your timetable. Enjoy moderate portions of treats to maintain a balanced approach to eating. Creating and following a nutrition timetable is a powerful step towards healthy eating and overall well-being. Remember, the goal is balance and variety, to enjoy a wide range of foods that nourish your body and mind. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to better health. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.